2025 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 8, 16. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. This process will continue. 2 goes into this 2 how many times? 2 goes into 2 one time. 1 time 2, 2. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 0, 0 means 0. 2 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times, as 0 is less than 2. 0 times 2, 0. Subtract 0. Bring down this 2. Now 2 goes into 0, 2 means 2. 2 goes into 2 how many times? 2 goes into 2 one time, right? 1 times 2, 2. Subtract 0. Bring down next digit 5. 0, 5 means 5. 2 goes into 5 how many times? 3 times 6, which is greater, so 2 times 4. Right, 2, 2 times 2, 4. Subtract 1. This is your remainder. So our answer is 1012, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will happen? Just convert this dividend into a decimal number. Taking decimal, then add 0. Bring down the first 0. So now you have 1 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times?